Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's episode, I will show you how to scan QR code in iPhone. Let's start. So for those who are not familiar what QR code is, nowadays if you go to different establishments or even if you want to purchase online or even, just logging in or just even checking the menu, some actually if not most, but some are already using QR codes. QR codes are basically a machine readable code, and then they consist of black and white squares, like very small ones. And then this is where they could, store the URLs and other information by just reading by the camera on a smartphone. So take note, guys, on a smartphone. So, of course, iPhones and Androids, they can read QR codes, but other phones cannot do that, of course, if it's not considered if it's not a smartphone. And bear in mind as well that if you're not connected to a data, yes, you could, you can scan, but definitely cannot access, whatever is the link that's associated with the QR code. So, say for example, I would want to scan, Apple support or Apple.com. All I need to do is just, click on camera. All right. And then if you can see that, and then there's the QR code. Okay. So most of the time there's like a URL that would pop up as well, a little one. So if you could just tap on that, and this would lead you to the website. Okay. So from here, up to you how you would, it depends on what QR code that you're actually accessing. But this is pretty much how you scan. Just use your camera and then just put it closer and then just scan it and then click on the URL that you have. Okay. So I hope you learned something today. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.